Hmm, computers and the internet sure has changed the way we do things dramatically. The internet, also known as the cloud, has pushed communications like never before. It's now faster and easier to stay in touch with everyone. With new ways of storing and organizing data, our stuffs are always on arm's reach. Photos and videos are now easier to share among friends, in order for them to relive the moments and entertain us all. We can educate ourselves and each other on just about anything from almost anywhere. 50 years ago, there was this guy that actually thought of this idea of a worldwide computer network long before it was built. But it wasn't until the internet came that everything started to take shape. Back then, cloud computing was just a thought, but now, we're on the cusp of this golden age.
But what is cloud computing?
If you'd ask Google, one can easily find 60 definitions of cloud computing, which most are confusing for a common guy. To put it simple, cloud computing is the modern-day industrial revolution. The results of industrial revolution changed the way we live, and so is cloud computing. Imagine you have a favorite picture of your friends. You wanted to share this great photo, so you uploaded it in a photo sharing website, and then you sent out the link. Without knowing, you already use cloud computing. That photo is somewhere in the cloud. We don't know exactly where it is, but it's stored in a set of computers, which tech guys call servers, inside one of those data centers that are popping out everywhere. Cloud computing makes it easy for us to access our files using different devices. We just need to connect to the cloud. With cloud computing, we don't need to worry if our hardware will break, or the power shuts down, or if we still have storage capacity to keep those files. It just makes it available for us. Now let's say that the picture you uploaded becomes so popular, millions of people are trying to view it. You are successful, but ever wonder how the website can keep up with the demand without their service ever slowing down?
Cloud computing.
Yes, the website now has access to computing power almost instantly when it needs it. This goes out not only to the website companies, but also to the different industries that uses cloud computing. Now, we can scale up by getting the computing power in the cloud, on demand. But if the viewers of the photo tips back down, excess computing power can be released back to the cloud. With cloud computing, you don't have to buy anything or worry about the hardware and all the things needed to keep it running. It means companies don't have to pay for the servers when they're not using them. They just pay for what they use. Because cloud computing maximizes the use of resources, it leaves a smaller carbon footprint, so it's good for the environment. Every day, new business of shapes and sizes join the cloud. Unless you're living under a rock, you're in the cloud. Every time you check your email online, you're in the cloud. Every time you tend to your crops, you're in the cloud. Every time you share your thoughts, you're in the cloud. This is cloud computing. As cloud computing continues to grow, so is the boundaries of what is possible. We're living in an exciting time, so let's welcome the freedom that cloud computing gives us, and let's use this to have a better world and discover a brighter future.